Good morning, everybody. This is Davey from the Trader, and today it's only going to be me. And yeah, let's see. Like we are a little bit like on time, pretty much. But let's see. I have been looking at a couple of things. Like Tesla definitely going down. Like keep going down. Like those are levels that I put. Like I think probably last month. And yeah, 325, 330 seems to be something relevant. And when we look at SPY, 633 is a level there, but like I think right now everything is a little bit too far down for things to go lower. I don't want to believe that that's the case from the good to go. Probably like they are a little bit too far. Probably we're gonna have a little bit of a reversal. But let's see. Yeah, let's see what the market wants to do today. I'm gonna be looking at Nvidia at the open because Nvidia have been getting hammer and hammer. Like, yeah, it's not like since the earnings, like things are looking a little bit distinct. So I think I would like to go long, but I'm gonna wait for some. Hey, how are you doing, my guy? I'm gonna wait for some confirmation of if I really want to go long. Are you trading today? Sorry, Zach, I didn't even talk to you those days. So as I say, yeah, like okay, so let me open Discord. So yeah, now I'm gonna start opening Discord every day because I think you're back. Just in case you are around there. So we have a couple minutes to open. As I say, there is no rush for me to go and look for those longs. Like it's not quite obvious that it's just like I'm understanding that we are kind of in a little bit of a extreme toward the downside. So okay, let's see, my guy Zach. Okay, Zach, I opened Discord if ever you are around there. So yeah, for Nvidia, 169 seems to be something that may hold. I'm gonna try to get very little amount of shares at that price. So 169.00. Okay, there we go. Yeah, I have a little order to go long on Nvidia. If it manifests, I'm gonna be adding to that position, but like for now, yeah. Let's see what we have in those levels. Hello.
What's up, my guy?
What's up? How are you doing?
You good, you?
Good. Here, looking at the market, like looking a little bit drastic toward the downside.
Yeah, I heard a bit of your stream morning.
Yeah, so kind of don't know what's going on there, but like I'm gonna be very patient. Like I mean, there is no reason why to rush any trade because yeah, if it keep going down, it's gonna be probably a lot. If it reverse, it's also gonna be interesting. Like when we look at SPY, it doesn't look like if it wants to be choppy. It doesn't really looks like choppy day. It looks like it's gonna take a direction.
You like those days?
Yeah, exactly. Those are the best days. So
I'm testing my new thing, but in live. First time, I think.
Nice.
Live, but still simulating.
Yeah, perfect. So, ooh.
What are you looking at?
I'm looking at NVIDIA, and I just noticed that there is a very important level at 169 and 168.50. So like 169 have decent sizes. So let's see if we get any of them. So I previously bounced from there pretty clean. So for NVIDIA. So I'm looking at NVIDIA and Tesla. Like I have been trading a lot of Tesla lately.
Big balls.
What can I say? It's like I play Tesla more conservative, but like so if you see, I got the NVIDIA, but like it's just a quarter of a position. So I would like to add more at 68.50. So the 68.50, I increased the size. So I had like just another quarter to add. And like now I say like, okay, if we go to 68.50, get me a full position, which I could probably should be trying to get at 69, because this thing is taking off, and like it's about to take off. So very clean bounce from there. And let's see. Tesla is the other one I need to look at. Yeah, Tesla, I think I like the 325. Yeah, I'm gonna put an order to get Tesla at 325.
I hope the paper trading isn't bugging like that.
Is bugging yours?
Good.
Right. So for Tesla, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna get it now. I'm gonna get the amount of shares I want now. Look, well, sorry, half of the shares I want now, and if we go to 325, I'm gonna add. Technically, it should reverse from there, but things are a little bit too much towards the downside, so. Okay, order for Tesla is in, and I have the order for NVIDIA as well. So NVIDIA probably gonna get me for like, it's almost for sure that it's gonna get me because it's not pumping as much. So how is everything going, Zach?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Nice.
I have a class after at 3. Kind of.
It's true, because you began Friday or today?
Today.
Okay. Man, if you look at Nvidia in the levels that you showed me how to do, it's quite impressive. Like, I mean, I wasn't sitting down here early enough. That's something I have to work on. But like, at least he gave me a decent entry. But if you look at that thing, it's amazing. It's you know what is by the penny. So
Yeah.
like I'm not using it as a okay, here you go in. Like, I am using it as a okay, it suggests that here there is a level. Let me look at the tape. And if the tape confirms what is in there, I give it, like, for example, you see, like, I told you I bought like quarter of a position at 69, at 169. The big level is at 168.50. So what I did is that at 168.55, I put the rest of the 75% that I want to get. So instead of 50%, like because the level was strong and it proved to hold well, instead of getting like just another quarter, I say okay, that level is relevant. Instead of getting another quarter, let's get a whole 75%.
Sorry, I'm kind of.
No, you take your time, my guy. My guy.
Because I need to place the order manually. It's like.
It's a long process.
Yeah, kind of. It's a good pass.
If Marie agree, after next week we're gonna share her screen. Like, she have been taking really good trades. Like really good trades. It's like, it's crazy. So, and like yeah, if she agree, which I think she said yes in the past, but like amazing trades she's taking. It's just like oof. So. So I think I'm gonna partial a little bit of Tesla. I know it's not a lot, but like I think it's the right thing to do. And I like the days I go conservative. Like, for example, today, like still like the day just began. I know, like, I can really pump it up. But what I'm saying, come on, stop doing that. What I say, like those trades, even with full size, they will be okay. But like I bought 50% on Tesla, and I bought only 25% on Nvidia. So
It didn't fill me in by the penny on SoFi.
you are trading SoFi?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see.
IBIT is about to get me in short.
IBIT. Okay. Yeah, those levels I don't have them because I have done like 5 only. I did Nvidia, I did AMD, I did PLTR, which PLTR right now is pumping up apparently. Let's see. Yeah, PLTR day high. So yeah, let's see. So for Nvidia,
both stuck or like touched my thing but didn't film me.
Yeah, it's one of those days where you respect the level by the penny.
Mm-hmm.
So I have a partial. There we go. That was Tesla.
Money talk.
Here comes the money.
So that's a pretty good trade on Tesla there, but Nvidia is not at the point yet. Nvidia, like, man, I should add to Nvidia. I'm expecting a little flush on Nvidia because look at the volume. You know what? If Nvidia go back to 69, I'm gonna add the rest. Instead of 68.50, I'm gonna bid 69. So at 69, at 169, I want the whole position. So, and that will be.
On SoFi and maybe
Look at you. So far, you're going long.
short both.
Shorts, okay. And I bet you are going. Ooh la la. There is a price of interest on IBIT that is at around, I can tell you right now. It's at once, like, no, at 63. Like 63, half, like 169 lot. Plus another 48. So, okay, we're gonna have to take some Nvidia as well. So, hey, that's really my guy, you know, like, it is your fault that you didn't win with bigger sizes.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So now let's put the order to refill that if ever it get back down. So if you get there, I want this amount of shares. Yeah, okay, I have the order to refill it. I have the order to refill Tesla as well. There we go. Okay, so those trades are a little bit in cruise control. My guy Zach is trading SoFi and IBIT.
Yeah, I got all the SoFi though.
Yeah, like Nvidia is going through big sizes, so that's gonna be interesting when you go through there. Like there is a heavy seller at 171, but like it's having a little bit more resistance because there is 70, 90, 70, 80. It's also selling a lot. So SoFi. Yeah, SoFi the tape is very bullish.
Yeah, I'm long now. I took half of SoFi. Break,
That's for you.
break that.
Here we go. Money talk.
Very good.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
I have an order at 330.50 for Tesla to add because the way it's going. So, Nvidia under is Nvidia like really, yeah. There we go. That's look at Nvidia. What's up? Yeah, she's not here today. I'm sorry. My dog got into crisis when Marie's not here because you bring him snacks. So like we gave him snacks too, but it's like when she doesn't, it's not here. He's like oh, like making weird noises.
I have an order to go short on TLTR.
Precisely like I'm looking at PLTR. The order that you have is by any chance at 155.80.
It's from 59, 155.59, 155.82. It's either gonna reverse right there, where it is. or
Mhm.
there.
Okay. The only thing I would say to watch out for PLTR is for what it came from. Like as I say, like I took what you shared with me and like I took it and I use it the way I understand because we haven't had the time to talk. But there is a major level and PLTR is coming from that level, and that level is a trimestral level, which is at 150 with 50. It came exactly from there, and it crossed through the 152.50, which is the top of the range.
It's rejecting my first level. I put my order in the second one.
PLTR, I'm gonna give it a shot, but with very tight stop loss.
Got in on TLTR. Look at the entry. Okay. So, automatic.
We're gonna have to show your screen at some point too, huh? So as I say, I have it there, but I have a very tight stop loss. I'm gonna manage that as a scalp. Like, I got it at the price I told you is 155.80. Though we can go 155.85. So even more probably. So okay, because it did react, I'm gonna move my stop loss. I add a little bit of risk in that one. I like the way it react to the level, and I think can go lower.
That's so high.
You got SoFi too? Oh. No joke. You are killing it. So I have like the system will get me blocked. Like I'm in blocking territory from a couple minutes ago. So I have to decide what I want to do, because like accepting that profit last week was good. Like I have one red day, and it was a day. Last week I have a red day, and it was a day that I violated my rules. Like I really took off. I turned it off the stop automatically, and I turned it off, and it proved me right away that it was a mistake. So yeah. So that being said, probably I want to be block. In Nvidia, I know I will regret this, but I have to take another partial on Nvidia. Oh, I partial on Tesla. That was a mistake. It's still good, but it's a mistake. So on Nvidia,
SoFi will almost it might take profit.
okay, I partial Nvidia as well.
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So now, are we ready to get blocked? I'm talking for myself. It's like it's really not the best to do, but hey, man, PLTR pierced the level, my level. I don't know yours.
Now I'm long.
Now you're long,
We
okay.
tested it. Now I'm long.
Okay,
Aiming for 156.77.
okay, understood.
And look at SoFi. It's gonna hit my profit soon.
Man, SoFi is flying.
I got it from 24.59.
Holy crap, that's good. Like in my case, the only reason why I'm going short on PLTR is because the risk to reward ratio is so good that if it works, it's gonna be fantastic. But like, I don't have strong reasons to short PLTR. Tesla, I'm gonna try to add again without making the mistake I made previously. Because in Tesla, what I did wrong is that I partial too soon. So, PLTR. Yeah, PLTR may work. Let's see.
Yeah, my long is out.
Your long got you out?
Yeah.
Okay. They're like, it just shake you out.
Mm-hmm. Well, it touched the other range.
It's gonna get me out too. Let's see if he managed to get me out. By the penny, it didn't get me out, but now I'm gonna de-risk it because I don't like the way it print. Oh, it got me out. It's okay. So now, what was that price? 50, 55.80. Now I have power to go long, and this one has a little bit more risk. Though I don't like buying tops, you know.
Selling stuff? Oh, man.
No, buying tops I don't like. Selling I like it. Like that one, you see, I went long there. Like that's very counterintuitive for me. So I think I just gonna pay for whatever it took out of me. If ever it go back up, but like I don't like that trade. Like if I want it to work, I have to hold it for probably a bigger loss. Yeah, the volume is healthy for the long.
So far you can do it. Filter, I don't like it too.
So far, yeah, they are doing similar things, you know.
Short on IBIT.
Okay. 63? Oh, even higher. So you have like 63.20, something like that, I guess.
22.
22. Oh, pretty nice. Pretty nice. So, I think those names, hey, I add to Tesla. Tesla, I don't feel too correct about it, but like it's one of the right things to do right now. So, yeah, like Nvidia popping down. Like what I was going to say that I didn't say was that I don't want those names to fall on my hands, and like they are close to do that. You know, like right now I have a very decent price for a PLTR. So but I don't feel like holding for too long. But I have to stay hooked to the trade if I believe on it, and I think it wants to go higher. Why do I think it wants to go higher? Because the tape suggested that. Because the level appears like if there was nothing. And like where can we go if we really can go higher? Well, right now we can aim for 156. That's right there. Probably 158. Not big enough, I would say. My regret on that one, if it doesn't work, is that I say I don't like buying tops. Like even Nvidia is getting a little bit flushy at the price it is. But if we're gonna have continuation, we should be okay. Like you are short only on IBIT, like you still have the long on SoFi.
Yeah. By bouncing from zero.
Perfect.
That's 10, yeah. It was a new,
Yeah, we have
BMI.
SMI, I think. Let's see.
Yeah. ISM manufacturer.
ISM manufacturer BMI, yeah.
Lower than expected.
Okay, you know what? Like, part of being responsible is taking partial, so I'm gonna partial on that PLTR very soon. Come on, go higher. No. Oh my god. It's looking very toppy, PLTR. I reduce my risk on PLTR. I just don't like that trade. I guess it is bouncing, PLTR is bouncing right on top of your level, the 50 something.
There's two levels, from 63 to 79,
Mm-hmm.
from 47 to 16. Bouncing in between.
Okay, PLTR got me out. And like,
One SoFi. Vic might take profit again. And I did gummy out and then move in with him. I got filled TLDR short. Okay, that one could be big.
yeah, I have another at 56 to go short.
I got it at 30.
Yeah, I don't want to chase it, but like,
Looking for a bounce to you up.
at least I reduce my risk on that one.
Alright, let's go. The resistance at the 480, then it's the next target is you up. That's possible.
I'm gonna get some right there. If
So
it
I have
pop.
a range from 15, 165.15 and 155.47.
Mm-hmm.
It broke that with a big candle. Then
Okay.
it went to touch it back, didn't break it. Then moved in my favor, so it works. It's a good engine. And I noticed that it's bouncing a lot. For PLTR, the view up is really important.
Yeah.
So instead of aiming way lower, I'm gonna aim for view up. And it's still a 1:6 ratio. Pretty good.
Okay, PLTR. I'm not a fan of doing this, but I'm gonna do it. Remember telling you about having a plan for like I am moving my order every time that it go down, and like I just keep going down. Like I want to get half at 54.98.
You see something at 54.67? 54?
No, I have nothing until 53. Okay. Oh, my camera is freaking out. I don't know what happened to this camera. It's like quite recent, but let's see. Come on. There we go. No, it's still good.
Well, I'm in 3 stocks at the same time. That's intense.
Hey.
I got an IBIT long. But everything has like a stop loss, take profit,
Mm-hmm.
let it run.
Nice.
So I just be patient. IBIT's working.
You short on IBIT? Yeah, from 60 to 20.
I'm long from 63. Now.
Okay. Got you flipping. Yeah, PLTI is gonna require a lot of patience, especially in my case that I jump at a bad price, because you have a very good price on PLTI, but like I chase it, and like that's not right, but I really just didn't like it. One of those things that you ask, like if I know why I like it, why did I hold it? Well, it was just like I did put a smaller stop loss. So sometimes like we justify a trade just by the risk to reward ratio is there.
Yeah. So I did. That may take profit. Then
I wait, let me know for me to rig it for you.
how I touched 6322, then rejected.
Yeah, that's your partial.
That's my range. And my not my personal, my everything else.
Okay. Man, PLTR is super annoying. Right now, it's going back up. It can go 56 probably. Oh, that's cool. I don't have the amount of share. Now I can add. Because I just got 50% of the position for PLTR. I didn't notice that. Okay, PLTR, let's see if now you really want to go higher. I have an order to add that to Tesla at 330.
Trading is not there anymore.
I'm about to be out of there, but I'm not stressed about PLTR yet. Like I really think right there it's just shaking out people. And like the ad I have there, it was by luck because that averaged out my price in my favor. But that was a like it was because I previously did a mistake that I was able to get it like that. Too much caffeine.
Why it's so slow, man?
Yeah. Like normally you have to buy or sell like a lot of shares on that thing for it to move.
But it's cheap, so
Yeah.
But yeah, your thing to that shows your R's doesn't work.
Now it's working correctly, yeah. That's why I say like I went to like, but like from the last R I was using from the last one, I double it. Last time I saw you, like you remember how much I was risking? I told you it's about that per R, so I double it and like, but I make it like I modify it because it was reacting like crazy. So you will be expect like he's making a lot of R's, but it's the same thing. I was losing a lot of R's too, so yeah, I just modified that, and now it is correct. Now it is correct. Though I went with too little shirt size.
Okay. Sorry, I have a call.
Yeah, for sure, yeah.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money, 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 money.
Sorry, my guy.
All good,
Bye.
all good.
So I saw you you took profit on something.
Yeah, I took Nvidia out completely. I'm taking a bigger loss than what I want on PLTR, but I put a stop loss right on top of the 57 because it shouldn't go 50 above 57. So, but if it goes 57, I'm gonna be out. So what I'm saying, I know that in there I am risking more. I am okay with that because I plan it. So Nvidia, I am looking short on Nvidia. I'm not chasing anything, you know. Like that's how I got in trouble with PLTR. Now Nvidia, I have the intention of chasing, but like I'm gonna grab myself before I do that. I really don't want to chase anything. So if it works, it works. If it doesn't work, I'm okay. So like let's say the long right now on Nvidia, there is no long to take on Nvidia because Nvidia looks like crap. So I missed the opportunity of going short at 170.50, which is the actual VWAP. And like now there is no sizes that I see that I can go with, like 70, 80. But if it goes to 80, the chances that it will go to 71 again are quite high. So yeah, Nvidia is like the weak, the tape was getting weak. So PLTR just gonna shake me out. There we go. I'm out of PLTR.
PLTR is
Why am I out of PLTR? Okay, now I have to check that out. I'm gonna give it one more shot to PLTR, and that's gonna be the last shot for PLTR. I have Tesla. Did I add to Tesla? No, I didn't add to Tesla. Okay, I have PLTR short again, and this time wasn't chase. I got the price I want.
I got PLTR short too, but just because I'm testing my thing and because I should be stopping a long time ago. Not testing, so.
Let's see if Nvidia wants to hold. I have an order to get some Nvidia. Very tight stop loss. That's a different trade. If that one is going to work, you have to work by the penny. I'm using a 15 cents stop loss on NVDA. Okay, there we go. Let's see. Let's manage that trade a little bit closer. As I say, I'm not expecting it to hold for longer, because the tape was quite bearish. But like probably if it fluctuate a bit and go back to 170.50, I can capture some profit. Okay, there we go. I'm going to flip those colors before I get confused. Like, what do you have, Zach? What's up, Larry?
It took profit on SoFi, then I went short.
Mm-hmm.
So it's like stuck in a range in between two prices.
Mm-hmm.
So I want to get the bottom one. That was a good trade on SoFi. I did a small trade on IBIT. It worked, then I tried again and it stepped me out. And PLTR is a disaster.
Yeah, to me too, PLTR is a disaster. And like, what made it a disaster for me, the PLTR, was like, I keep doing the same thing. Like, I do a hotkey mistake, and it's that I add instead of it being out. Man, if these levels are correct, PLTR is gonna go back to 161. Could you believe that?
That's crazy.
Though, you know, like now that I am zooming out, because I just zoom out in this thing. And like last time it touched the level it touched today, the highest it went was, and it was at the close. It went up to 158.28, and it has been rejecting that many times. So Nvidia broke through the seller that was at 50. but haven't went to the seller that is at 80. So there is a seller on Nvidia 170.80. So right now, that one I just gonna hold because of the risk to reward ratio, because like it's really low risk for me, that one, that Nvidia. So it's insignificant compared to the rest. So I have to push for more of those trades, because like if you see, normally they work. And if you just get stopped out like 100 times, then you say, okay, let me change the strategy, at least for this guy. Like the bid is really weak on Nvidia. So if the bid is that weak and is holding decently, the overall market is going higher, so it kind of should go higher, but that will mean PLTR is also going to go higher. Zach, for your strategy, like those levels, let's say, like, is there a way that you can say, like, oh, today, like for this specific stock, I will only favor long, or I will only favor shorts?
I have to figure that out.
Okay.
I'm short on SoFi. Yeah.
Again, PLTR now looks like if it's going to fall. The question is it going to happen for real or not? Because it have been looking like that for a couple of times. Nvidia wanting to interact with the 170.80. Hey, at least the market haven't been ranging, so that part we got it correct.
I haven't been what?
Rangy, like choppy.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, in PLTR I see that there is a buyer, like the volume ramp up by a lot.
Is there a news on PLTR or just
Let me see.
doing PLTR thing?
No, there is not.
Palantir Technologies surge on Q2 result.
But they haven't shown yet. Like the last
Tonight?
time they report earnings. Last time they report earnings was August 4, and their next earnings are November 10.
Look at the NERP.
I'll be there.
As a swing trading perspective.
So I know it's not. Yeah, just give me a second. I'll be there. Because I am wanting to be out of this trade. So Tesla is the only trade I'm gonna hold. Okay, Nvidia, I say what's the risk? Okay, I'm gonna stay on Nvidia too because the stop loss is very tight. But market looks like if it wants to go down now, like PLTR probably is gonna be finally going down. As I say, Nvidia, okay, I'm out of Nvidia. That was what I was expecting. So Tesla, I gonna get myself out of this. No, I say I want to hold Tesla. No, I wanna be out. It's okay. There we go. Oops, that was noisy. So Nvidia, with the pain of my heart, I'm gonna be going short. Well, with the pain of my heart, you do what you have to do. There we go. I have another to go short on Nvidia. I just don't want to sleep on it. So yeah, NUP. Man, that's a freaking good trade that you took on that thing.
My mistake is I didn't add. Holy fuck! I just saw when I told you it was 4.33% up. Now it's 8.
It's just like flying.
I'm telling you, like last Friday, I received, Yahoo Finance notify you when the stock is up like 10%, let's say.
Yeah, like that's something I heard about Google that I cannot put alerts.
But I received a text, NERP is up 12%. I'm like, oh, nice. 5 minutes later, a text that NERP is down 10%. I've never seen that before.
If I'm not mistaken, that day it finished like 19% up at the end of the day.
I'm
Or the
talking
day-
about the day after.
Okay.
It was Friday, but Thursday, it finished, yeah.
But there was one of those days that I look at it
That's 19.
and it was 19% up. It was that day, the day before.
Yeah, Tuesday,
Pretty cool stuff.
19.5. The day, ooh la la. Wednesday, 23% up. Tuesday, 19. And Friday, it was down 7. But it's Friday that I received the 2 texts.
Pretty cool.
Because it hit all-time high, 52 weeks high, and then it rejected it.
Pretty nice. Hey, I chase a bit Nvidia. It's not the right thing to do, but it's looking like so if he wants to get there. But like that has been your biggest trade, like percentage wise.
I think Aurora did like 40 or 50% last summer. Okay, that one is one of my best.
Nice. Yeah, like Aurora, like sleeping a lot, you know, like lately.
Right now. But my ad on Aurora was at 5, so like, pretty good. Anyway, my mentality with Aurora is the more that it get down, the more that I'm gonna buy.
Yeah, like
But NERP, I really want to make a good amount and get out there. Think about it after. Like they're supposed to report the results for their PTSD drugs
mm-hmm.
in at the end of September.
Wayne.
If that is positive, voila.
Gosh.
It can go to like 50 or 100, like we talked about.
You're gonna take another vacation to Mexico.
Oh yeah.
You know, I
SoFi is
think.
working good.
What was that?
My SoFi short is working pretty good.
Nice.
I have it at 25, 22.
Pretty cool.
What were you about to say?
So fine. What I was going to say is like you see, like for example, I have a loan on Tesla. What happened? Like I have like that chart is not correct, I think, or like because it looks like if we gap down, like so far. Okay, now it's looking good. Yeah, like I had like that loan on Tesla, and like if I just took profit and sell, I will make way more than what I am making right now. Because like it just doesn't want to escape that price, you know.
Mm-hmm.
But my experience is like in Nvidia. Like yes, I made good money on Nvidia in the last swing trade I took, but like I literally got like I say, oh, I'm not getting out because it's gonna get there, and I got out like pushing my psychology to the extreme. I say, you know what, you have to take it. It's a good profit, and like this thing may not go higher. And like I took it today, and next day it was like bam, 25% up. I say like, okay, like what happened there? You know, like so that's very annoying. So especially because I had the ETF that was like 2 times leverage.
Mm-hmm.
So like I left like a lot of money on the table in there just to not wait another day. Tesla did the same too. Like the first like before Nvidia, I had Tesla that I bought at 275. I sold Tesla at 350, and next day it went to 368. But at least that one I don't regret it because then it came back down. Like I really got hammered after. But yeah. So if you take a
You
quick,
know me, usually I miss.
yeah.
I call some move and I don't enter, and
Hey, this time you are in, you know.
yeah, this time I'm in both things that I wanted to be in.
Which is Aurora and Nephew, whatever it's called, the thing.
Mm-hmm.
Cool.
Like Joe Buy was my big mistake of the year.
Oh, you took a big loss on Joe Buy?
No, I didn't took the long.
Oh, you didn't took the loan. Okay. Hey,
My guy, 150% in 2 months,
that's huge.
and like I was really close to taking it. I remember when I came back from Michigan,
Yeah.
they gave me a card and everything to work for them. Like
Yeah.
maybe have an internship with them,
Pretty cool.
and that was when I said, okay, maybe I'll buy something.
I don't know if you saw what just happened here, like on the tape. That's a tape that works to go back and look at it. There was 1,000 lot at 169 on Nvidia right here. I actually gonna put a blue line here because if you go back to trade above that, I have to be out of that trade, you know. But it just print like below that, like if there is nothing. So that's not good because if you didn't hold with 1,000 lot, probably it won't hold at like at 68.50 because at 68.50 is where we actually have the levels that we were drawing, I think, and things like that. So now we have Nasdaq going down, we have SPY going down, and we have Nvidia that just swallowed that huge bit there, like if there was nothing, you know. So from the good to go, I'm gonna be breaking even on Nvidia. That's not my favorite thing to do, but I'm gonna do that because I don't want to be in between. No, I cannot be breaking even. I actually, well, yeah, I can be breaking even. It's okay. So, but like, okay, now PLTR, everything is now looking interesting. So, but what we notice is that the offer on Nvidia got heavy compared to the bid, like very heavy compared to the bid, and like, yeah, it was holding decent, but hey, let's see what we're gonna do. Now you're gonna go 168.50 almost for sure.
Printing on my.
You're printing SoFi quite well, I guess. That's what you were saying. Ooh la la. Your target is the VWAP?
It's 2480. Going there. Like a 6.5 R to 1, the ratio.
Pretty cool stuff.
But as I say, PLTR was a disaster, so I'm just.
Yeah, like, well, like,
I should have stopped at like 2 tries on PLTR.
like every time you say a disaster, I kind of put it on perspective because, like, for example, PLTR was a disaster for me too. But into the items that Maria and I are studying lately about trading, is that there are trades that you have to be able to stay hooked to them. Like what I mean, like let's say.
Yeah, but my stop loss wasn't wide enough.
Exactly that.
An entry that I could get would be at 931. I pull back at 31. If I would get that, like, would have been crazy.
But yeah, so like, but like that the same thing you're saying basically there is just like at which like. And I am very bad at this, and I'm gonna be 100% honest. I was looking at the guys from the Trading the World, like because I say I might be doing something wrong related to this, and then I see Sean just doing exactly the same thing I'm talking about on AMD, and that's why I say, okay, no, we are correct in that matter, you know. Like I mean, it's just like we have no enough experience for us to be able to hold with confidence when that happens. But basically, what I'm telling you, like there is I did it on Tesla last week completely, and Tesla was my most profitable stock last week. But like basically, like I'm going here, but Tesla can make a lower low, and it won't be able to get me out. Why? Because at that low, I want to add. Like so, going like in 2 shots, but like really wider 2 shots. So yes, it shrinks your R multiple. But like what I'm saying with what you like with the subject here is like we have to be good apparently. I'm not saying that it's like that. I kind of don't know. But we have to probably be very good at determining when we're gonna use 15 cents stop loss, 5 cents stop loss, and when we need to use a whole dollar. And like I find for myself, I find it tricky, but if that's it, hey, that's it, you know.
Okay, almost fill me in on long for SoFi.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know how I did it. Ooh la la, look at PLTR.
Yeah, PLTR. You're short on PLTR too, right?
No, I'm out. Long
Yeah.
time ago.
Okay.
No, so far I don't move away from me. Yeah, SoFi is respecting my things very well.
Like right now, I don't like SoFi for the long, but like the indexes are kind of retesting the tops.
I'll wait. I cancel my order.
You see, for example, now is a good moment to go and look at that thing, at your strategy, to see from where did we bounce.
Like TLTR didn't do well. So far, my guy. Ooh la la. I did too. Did been good.
Did you flip in both names? Like, did you flip in both names?
In both, you mean?
SoFi and IBIT, yeah.
Yeah, SoFi I was long at first, from 24.55. Got a big move, like 6 hours. Then got short
Okay.
until my other range. Got 6 hours again. Then I would be long. But it didn't fill me in. I would be long from 24.80.
Mm-hmm.
80 is gonna retest right there.
Let's see.
TLTR is not doing good.
Yeah, it's back up in there. It's like and Nvidia, it didn't went to the price I see. Like right now, like Nvidia right now, yeah, it's right on top of that 69. Probably it's gonna bounce by the penny the 69. Though the
I like
indexes,
SoFi.
though the indexes are going down already.
SoFi is super cheap and kind of predictable. TLTR has become too expensive, I think,
Yeah, it is. Yeah.
for me to trade. SoFi is going long. SoFi 2 is gonna reverse.
Zach, do you don't use those things on the indexes you say?
Not yet, but it's just stochastic on SPY is
Always high,
is low.
always low.
That
Okay.
it can go. If it's gonna go up, it's now. I'm trying to do long one TLTR.
You know, like that. That's have something that others do have that thing. Like, but each one of them have like a different graph, I will say. But it's called like ladder view. and you can watch the tape as a chart,
Mhm.
and like basically you see like something like it's open to interpretation because like at the end it's like a very recent thing. Well, recent in the matter that like I think that there is no many people with solid information about um, like what it's supposed to looks like, especially because each one has a different one. But like right now you can see like the bid or the offer uh like getting like heavier, and like he put it on a chart, so like you can compare to how it was looking when it bounced like 20 minutes ago, and how it's looking now that it's like going like up again but then down. And like I think it helped a lot to identify when there is like selling pressure.
Okay. Can you have that on your that?
Yeah, I have it, like I am using it right now.
Mhm.
But it's not like I'm not using it as a main indicator. I just look at it eventually, like for example at the open today it was very clear, and like from long ago, because like I have those aha moments so many times, and like I like to not get hooked to any indicator. Like for example, I would prefer to never say like, oh, this is indicator is like is it, or because I actually believe that there is no indicator that will tell you 100%. But what I'm saying is like we are adding like the same thing I'm doing with the strategy that you have. Like, oh, I would like to go short on Nvidia, and then I look at those levels, and I see, oh, that level that is there is somebody on the tape. And let's say in this case, okay, I will look at the thing I'm telling you, and they say like, okay, there is selling pressure. So that it has been there for longer, let's say. So okay, I favor that. Or I'm gonna send you a picture how it looks like. It looks like a chart, but it's no. The chart is just printed by the bid and the ask, and not by the actual price.
Okay. And so far, I'll send you a picture too.
Yeah, like I was going to ask you for that actually. Like
Like I didn't got too long, but if I did,
well,
like when I got short, I was long before. I got out, then short, then out of my short, then I should have get long. And there's a short in the middle of the thing. It's just a mistake that I did. I wanted to take partial and I added.
well, PLTR got me out again with another loss, so I just gonna walk away from PLTR.
PLTR.
PLTR is doing PLTR things.
Oh yeah.
You know, I'm gonna put an order, but like
Put another word.
I'm gonna tell you right now. That's gonna be quite. Probably I won't get it, but if ever, yeah, I'm gonna put an order at 161 to go short. And I will forget about it. If he get there and he get me another loss, it's gonna be okay. But and like if you say from where did I pull out this 161, it is from your levels. Like it's the thing that you show me. I don't know if you do have a level there. And the actual level is 161, 161, 15, 161, 14.
I have one from 161 to 167.
Okay. From 161, that's quite big, you know, like 161 to 167.
No. 161 to 160, 70.
Okay, perfect, yeah. Yeah, that one I don't have it.
Have you seen the picture of SoFi?
No, my guy, I even took the picture that I wanted to send you, and I didn't look at this phone. Let's see. Holy crap. Okay, so you're getting into the bottoms of the things.
Mhm.
I was trying to go, like every time I go in the top of it.
Mm.
Those
What do you
entries
mean?
are the right
Break
entries?
it? You're going to break the...
No, like for example, you see like you go, like you have your band, the price
Mhm.
enter into the band, and you get at the bottom of the band, but inside the band.
Oh no, it's just that I go right when it touches the band.
Ah, okay.
Stop loss above. But not like on the line above, just
A little bit more like higher.
yeah, like that. Yeah. But like yeah, like my short on SoFi on the picture, I got in on the line and it almost stepped me out, but then reverse and
Man, those shorts, like those trades in general, looks like very pro level, you know.
but
Like you got
wouldn't
from
say
range
that-
to range.
you wouldn't say that in the LTR today.
Well, but like it's like look, PLTR. Look at PLTR. It just got me out, and now it's looking to go down again. Like by the candle.
So
Like,
hard to trade.
so I'm just gonna leave it alone. Like let me send you. So I sent you the picture. If you notice, like there is like the red is the bid, and the green is the ask. So you're gonna notice that there is a lot of green compared to red. Like and the little peaks of the little peaks when you go down to the bid, they don't get thicker. And the reason why they don't get thicker is because there is no many people buying that right there.
So that thing I can have that on TradingView.
You can have that?
Hmm. My level 2 is showing like that,
Are you kidding me?
but like not on the chart, but on the side.
Okay, yeah. Well, but like in
It's
here,
almost
like if you see like the bars on the right side, like let me see if I can show you. It has like bars that indicate the volume that is right there. So like
That's what I mean, like the bars that say like 4 or 2 or
exactly.
that is how I see my level 2 and like if I paid for it,
Mm-hmm.
that's how I would see my level 2.
That's pretty cool.
Like a ladder.
Yeah, it's called ladder view.
Not the same, but it's almost like that. I see all the price and the number on the side.
Nice.
Okay, I got long on the SoFi. Let's see. Look, right at my level, it did a double bottom,
Yeah.
right at my level. Aiming for my top level again, like 20, 25, 21.
That was something we were talking about, Maria and I, that with this thing, you are able to identify probably with more reliability when there is going to be a double top and when it's not going to be top. Double top or double bottom.
So the two outcomes, either it's bouncing and going towards my top level,
Mm-hmm.
or it's gonna break, going to my other range, and then if I want to try again, I try again. Or when it breaks and it retests, I go back in and I'm aiming for my lower range.
Okay.
I go short, I mean, and I'm aiming for my
That's the part that I would like you to like when we both have the time, like that's the part that I would like to understand a little bit better, because yeah, there is where I am getting a little bit we'll say probably confused.
I I tested a whole month. What I'm doing is I created an Excel
Mm-hmm.
and I'm back testing like the month of February with IBIT. So only IBIT. Every day of the month. And risking $100. So my best week was 49 hours.
Holy crap!
So on the overall month, I did 139 hours.
Wow.
Average of 7 hours per day. With a yearly projection of $16,700. So like 167,000. And now I'm testing the month of April on PLTR. I'm doing random months and random picker, and my best week was 48 hours, almost the same. And I only tested a week and a half, and I already have like 95 hours in a week and a half. That's crazy.
Wow, man. Like, is that one of the problems that you have? Like, let's say, because you have those hours, but like, let's say, in like, when you are trading, like for example, myself, like I waste a lot of time on PLTR, let's say, but if I just stay focused in Nvidia, I probably gonna do better because of like, but let's say what I'm saying here, like, some of those trades you will miss because of looking at another stock.
Mm-hmm.
Is that correct?
Yeah, maybe I have to focus on one. That plus one thing that I see like today is that on the simulator, because times goes way faster,
Faster?
I'm like yeah, because I skip like the candles.
Okay.
Like it's not like the real time, because it would take so long to simulate a month, let's say.
Mm-hmm.
So I'm skipping the candles and everything. So I think patience is one of the key things on that. Like sometimes one trade can take an hour. I have to develop that.
Nice.
Sometimes the trade can take 5 minutes, but sometimes like on SoFi today, like one of my trades took like 45 minutes. So, and the other one it took like 15.
Yeah.
So
That's a
Right
part
now
that I
I'm
get
long.
annoying even from my own trading, like lately.
It's what?
That the way I'm trading lately, like I have been closing my position like after market the close. So sorry, and that is yeah, I don't like that.
Like right now I'm in long on SoFi. I have my take profit at 25.21. It will probably take like hours to get there,
Gotcha.
or it will get me out. But pretty good result right now. Just need to see if live is the same. And
Yeah, like and I think like let's say those hours that you are saying they are like amazing. Like this is, I don't think there is a trader that do that many hours. Like, but or I don't know. Like let's say I believe not. But what I'm saying, like let's say even if you get like 2/3 of that,
Mhm.
it's still pretty good, you know.
yeah, it's probably a bit like inflated because of later and everything. And so,
What will be cool if you can program that for you to do it, uh, like errors free, you know.
mhm.
Like right now, I know exactly how I can program. I'm like I am like right now I don't have the time, but like the thing that we wanted to do with Pierre and all those things. Like right now, I have a specific tray that work like easy work 90% of the time. But when you put the human factor on it, it goes down quite a lot because like I take that tray and like I have been doing okay with that. But what I'm saying is like when I look back, if it will be a computer that will do exactly what I say is the trade supposed to be doing, it's like it will be way more profitable. Like is that trade that I took on like on Nvidia, the one I took at the short here, like no the long here, that long. So it's supposed to partial right here in the 50 and go out. And like it's risking like 15 cents to get like 45 cents, which is not a lot for me. Like I say like okay, yeah, I want the trade to be making more. But that's why I say when I come into the trade it's like 90% of the time it's bouncing and you can make it like very picky. Like, oh, if he does this, don't go in. If he does that, go in, and like that trade for sure will work. And it's like, but yeah, I'm not too concerned. Like right now, I'm putting a lot of effort on the like with Capitalize AI. I have a strategy that is working pretty good.
Yeah, nice.
And like for you to have an idea, I have it running since February, and it's really doing good. So like that's why like it's okay. It's like I don't have much rush with my training. It's like I really want to understand everything, and like everything I can, you know. Like I mean, it's not like being like funny about it. It's just like I like trading, you know. I guess you like it because you have been in this too.
I guess so.
Yeah. It's
Yeah,
it's a very interesting thing.
mhm. Oh my god, I need to go. I need to go make groceries.
Yeah. Yeah, like I know you're gonna be popping up more and more as you're gonna be trading lately, but like yeah, like we know that you are very busy. So like
Tuesday and Thursday,
Thursday,
2 days a week.
perfect.
I wish it was free, but
Nice. Yeah, yeah. Like, hey, like those days, if you are making enough in those days, then you know what is coming.
Hmm. The summer, my guy.
Oh yeah.
But I'll check. Maybe because my strategy seems to work good too in the afternoon.
Yeah.
Like I mean after 11, like after 11, yes, it's slow, but it
My guy,
works.
like most of the like, I was talking with Bloody about this very long ago. Like like let's say in my case, I have a job that I am taking care of, but like once you are good in the morning, like and you like the afternoon, in my opinion, my humble opinion, is easier to trade because like things are more defined normally. It's slower that you have to be very patient, like you have to wait and things like that. But like it's
You enter, you go to the gym, then
yeah. Forget about it. Let the computer do what it has to do, and you just go and do your life.
I have a trade too that is interesting. It's right at the open. Like at 29, when you see that the price is in a range, so
Mhm.
let's say it came from lower, then touched the range higher. At 9:30, you put an order to short with your stop loss right above the range, and your take profit right at the other range. And usually it will get you in and then touch the range, and then you're out. So you can make a quick 4 hours there.
That's like a type of scalp.
It's just it's a type of gambling.
A type
Yeah,
of
it's like
scalp.
really quick.
Yeah.
Hmm?
Yeah, that's a scalp.
Yeah. But since you're on the range, there's more chance that it will go down than through.
Like that range, what time frame is like the 15-minute range or the 5?
It's the same range, the monthly range,
Okay.
that you put small daily range in there. Then when it touch at the open, it touch one. It touch one. You put your entry stop loss above, then take profit whatever you want. And sometimes the big move at the open will get you like a quick 4 hours or 5 hours or
Mm-hmm.
something like that.
Yeah.
And then even if you lose, you can recuperate
Very fast. Yeah.
Oh my guy, I'm gonna go. I still have my long on SoFi.
Okay. So keep me posted. Have fun
You too, my guy.
and enjoy the coming back.
Oh yeah, I'm doing in thermodynamics. So.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Starting rough.
Well, like if you domain the main laws and things like that, like if you know them, like the rest is about calculations. But yeah, pretty cool stuff.
Oh my guy. See you soon.
See you then. Have fun.
You too.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Uno, two, two, three. Right, so for everybody watching, like right now I'm red, not too red, but like we are red right now. So Nvidia, like Nvidia was okay. It was basically I took Nvidia and Tesla at the open. For sure, not enough shares. Like I decided to went a little bit conservative today. So for the open, it was not the right thing to do, but it was a thing that I decided to do. So at the end, like it's just like keep it nimble. Like at least I follow my plan in those two. So for Tesla, I did went long here, right here. When I went long here, I partial here, and then I partial here again by mistake. The partial was by mistake, so I added back right here. Then it went back to my entry, and then it came back above here. And I say, you know what, this is not looking like if it wants to go higher. So I just got all out here, and that was the right thing to do because then it just went down. So like good trading on Tesla, amazing trading on Tesla. So then I like simultaneously I did Nvidia at the open as well. Pretty much the same story here. I went long here with 25% of the amount I wanted to long, with the other size to add at 185. That didn't work. Like I mean that worked because I partial and I made money on it. Like so, I pretty much went all out here. No, I didn't went all out here. I went long, partial, all out, and then I went long. When I went long again here, I didn't took any partial, and I got out at break even, and then I just flipped my size. So Nvidia is also pretty good trading on Nvidia. Both directions and green on Nvidia, long and short. So Nvidia and Tesla, excellent trading. I mean, like basically, that's the right thing to do. You know, like I mean, if you go long here, you didn't partial, just go out of the way. And like that was that. And the other trade I took, the one that I didn't do really good on it, was PLTR. Right now I have an order to get PLTR short, but it will, like if it goes there, it's a very extreme price for it to go there. And like right now, if I look at my levels for PLTR, I have nothing there that should say you should be, yeah, like I'm probably wrong on that one, you know, because like when we look at the other time frame, like Copilot, okay, close Copilot, okay. So yeah, what I was saying is like if we look at the 5 minute or let's say even the 15 minutes, like there is a clear level of resistance at 58. So I kind of didn't look at that good enough. So because of that, like I keep going basically short. So like on PLTR, I went short right here, got stop out. When I get stop out here, I say, you know what, the tape is looking good, this thing may go long. So I decide to go long. So I went long here. Lucky me, I tied the stop loss. I say, you know what, I'm just gonna take half of the loss in that. So I took half of the loss right here. Then I shorted right here. Then by mistake, instead of being out, I add to the short out here. When I got out here, I shorted, add to the short, and then I got out with a loss here, and I say, I'm not touching that anymore, you know, let it go, let it do whatever it wants to do. I just, PLTR, really yucky trading on PLTR for me, so it is my fault. So at the end, that's what matters. Like, I mean, it's a wrong behavior, wrong, like, let's say, this is a nothing, like this, like, let's say this lost here is nothing. Like, I mean, that wouldn't hurt me. That lost either. This one is the wrong one. Like this one, it's like that's a big loss. So, and then the other, this one, also it's not a big loss. That's part of the plan. It's basically this one here that really damaged me, or damaged my P&L, I will say. So, but yeah. So that's for PLTR. Then I took AMD here, and like AMD here is looking okay. but I have to read the tape a little bit better. Like Nvidia is in very like quite heavy selling right now. SPY is going down, Nasdaq is going down, so I am kind of believing that we're gonna be going even lower. So like look at SPY there, like the SPY have another $2 down. Like right now it's breaking the bottom, breaking the lower low. So are we gonna go down? Looks like so. Man, I'm just noticing that to not short the PLTR 158 is a mistake. To not short the 158 is a mistake. But I'm gonna keep it like that because I have been misbehaving on PLTR, and that's okay. So it's let's make it back. Like right now, I'm making all the PNL back. Like just like that, we are coming back to flat. The question is there gonna be something else below those flat move? So yeah, so that's it for me. We are doing okay, as I say. Like I mean, at the end of the day, like that's what matters. That you really put the hours in and you are understanding a little bit better what you did yesterday, a little bit better what is not working, what is working. That's it for me. I hope everybody have a good day. Hopefully we have Marie back tomorrow. Let's see how she's feeling. She wasn't feeling too good today, so big hug for Marie, and hopefully she will get to feel better. Bye.